How to fix mobile hotspot not working on Moto G77. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, restart device, just click on hot side power button and volume up button, and you will see restart device from here. After restart phone, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library, scroll down and click on settings app. Now in setting, click on network and internet and click on hotspot and ticketing and click on hotspot. If you want to fix this problem, so turn on hotspot mode and turn off hotspot mode. Turn on or turn off hotspot mode 1 to 3 times and you will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, so check your internet connection. Internet connection is work properly. After check internet connection, click on again settings app. Now in settings, scroll down to and click on system. After click on system, click on reset option and click on reset all settings. After click on reset all settings, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix mobile hotspot not working on Moto G77. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.